Hi guys, welcome to another video. This time it's not a weekend video. I am here at MANOA Falls Trail. Decided to come here after work, so left work slightly early to, do this trail. But oh my gosh, look at the views. Okay, minus this, we just started. But yeah, you gotta go through this thing right here to get through. Here we go through a container. It's like Jurassic Park vibes, right? From the beginning. Wow, look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful foliage. How are you liking the hike so far?
Yeah, it's an awesome hike, especially for those who like to be in a sort of tropical environment.
So apparently this trail was closed for a while, like a year or so, and they renovated it. They widened the trails. So yeah, my first time here, so we'll see. There's also this bamboo forest. Oh.
World had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Oh, look how blue this fruit is. What do you think that is?
I have no idea.
Matches your shirt.
Yeah, maybe if one of our viewers know, you can just write on the comments. Aloha.
Yeah. There you go. If you guys know what this is, comment down below. Look at it, all on the ground. Alright guys, we're going to close out the video here. It's a super short video. Just wanted to show you what MANOA Falls looks like right now since they've reopened. Whew, so many mosquitoes. We're here like an hour before sunset, so they're attacking us, even though we put some bug spray on. So definitely recommend bug spray. I was going to say sunblock. But yeah, parking is $4 for locals, come Aina, and $7 for tourists. Alright. And it's short. It's only 30 minutes each way, even less than that if you walk fast. Alright, as always, like to support the video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!